Yeah! What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas! I know you guys are watching this on Boxing Day.
Yes.
But still Merry Christmas.
Yeah, hope you guys had a great time. Got to spend a lot of time with your family. Ate some good food.
Yep.
And
got some dope
good
gifts.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What did we get?
What did we get?
We got a GoPro!
We got a GoPro Hero 9 Black.
Black, yeah.
So we've been wanting one for a while.
Yeah.
Because we always want to do like POV driving videos, and we also love snowboarding, and in the summer we do a lot of sports.
Jet skiing.
Yeah.
So this was very much needed this year.
Yeah.
So with our exhaust coming and hopefully end of January, you already know she gonna be strapped outside the car.
Yep. It's gonna be good. What did you guys get for Christmas? Or what did you get yourself for Christmas? Either way. I love Christmas. It's everyone's so happy. Everyone's in like a giving spirit, so it's awesome.
Yeah.
So we are gonna go for a drive because we have snow here.
First white Christmas in Vancouver.
Yeah. And now that we have the STI, first Christmas with the STI, and we have snow, so you already know what that means.
We're gonna go buy some donuts.
No, we're gonna do some donuts. We're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna go for a drive. So let's go. Mounted right there. We get some cool shots of Steph driving. It's her first time driving in the snow with the STI. Apparently,
well, there's no snow right now, but I just hate it. I hate driving in the snow. Like I get so like tense.
That's what this car's built for. We were talking about this. So Steph asked me, "What's one thing on a car that you can't drive without?"
Yeah.
And for her, it's the blind spot mirror.
Yeah.
I guess it does help. But for me, it would have to be a decent sound system. I personally can't stand, especially on long drives, when the sound sucks, like music sucks. Like.
So that's like a non-negotiable for you? Like there's just like, nope, no way I'm driving unless a good sound system in the car.
I mean, at the end of the day, I'm still gonna drive, but it just makes it way less enjoyable. Like even daily, those of you that like listening to music or just appreciate good sound system, you know what I'm talking about. Like when it's just crap, then your whole drive just becomes boring. What is it for you? Is it a sound system? Is it blind spot mirrors?
It could be anything.
Yeah.
It could be like, yo, I need this sticker on my car. It's like, yo, bless your sticker, man. Like if you need it, then you need it.
Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. 15,000 kilometers.
I don't think that's a reason to celebrate.
Yeah, kind of hurts that we put on so much mileage. But you also
honestly, we can't regret it because we love going on road trips and just like going for drives. So I don't regret it, but it's still kind of sad.
No, we've had a lot of fun with this car, but yeah, it's like, oh, remember when she had like 3 kilometers when we picked it up? Now it's 15,000.
Definitely not a garage queen for sure.
Nope. Maybe one day, but not now.
Yeah.
These waves are no joke. Woo. The wind died down a little bit. That's literally where we got married. Just under 3 months ago we got married. Right there.
Yep.
And
it was hot.
It was warm.
Kind of.
And now it's freezing.
I know.
Windy, like you can't even breathe. But you gotta say, the view is amazing. Like look at that. Mountains, the oceans, more mountains, this beauty. Oh! This is definitely not suitable for donuts. That's one way to break your car very easily. That was 2 minutes or maybe 3 minutes outside, and
I can't feel my hands.
I'll warm up the car, warm us up.
It's actually really nice though how like nature can change so quick. Like in October, we got here, got married. Like I was wearing a dress.
Yeah.
And then a jacket after, but like how nature is so beautiful, how it changes so quick.
Yeah.
Like literally 2 days ago we had no snow, and then yesterday is when snow started falling, and just look how beautiful it is. It's pretty dope. God's creation.
It's funny, when we're living in Ontario, we're so sick of snow, but here in BC, because it's so rare, at least in Vancouver it's rare, that when we do get it, we actually get super excited.
Yeah, which I like better, because I personally don't like the snow.
No,
but
I love driving in the snow.
It's nice to have the option to drive up here and see snow.
So far, what do you think in the snow?
It's really cool, because I had a front wheel drive car before, and driving in the snow, it's like you step on it a little bit and it just like spins, doesn't really go anywhere. But this car, like you step on it and like there's grip, like it just goes.
Cannon Falls, named after my sister.
Definitely not.
Same name though. The water's still not frozen.
I think it does freeze though, because I remember one time, I think it was last year or 2 years ago, remember it was like a huge icicle?
Yeah.
Because I think it does freeze, but there's a lot less water now.
Yeah.
So we came here in the summertime, super beautiful, it's a massive falls, but it's really hard to see right now because, well, everything is covered in snow.
So now we got a side-by-side camera comparison.
Yeah.
Our actual camera with the GoPro, we'll see what the quality is.
I just don't know if this was picking up the audio because it's on the protective case. So, I don't know. It's a vibe. So we're double filming right now.
I'm vlogging your vlog of my vlog and your vlog.
We're just hashtag vlog of the vlog.
Vlogception.
Okay, so this is like front wheel car, and then Subi's just like.
Show me a Civic. So we are parked in snow, and you'll see how our car does not slip or get stuck.
I mean, I think most of them know, but like this is so impressive for me. Cause I'm usually like, people help me, I'm stuck. Yo, this is sick. I say we buy another Subi.
Another one?
Cause we really want a Type R, like we really like it as well as the second car.
Yeah.
But it's front wheel drive. But it's still a sick car. But like, yo, a Blob-eye?
Guys, is she hinting at a second car for the channel? Another STI or something else?
Okay, I think we will definitely get a Blob-eye. Like that's one of your dream cars, is a Blob-eye. But we can only get it when we have a garage because we would have to like redo it and you know.
Yeah, we want to restore, do a full restoration on a nice Blob-eye.
Yeah.
Back to factory OEM. You know, if we need to redo the interior, the underbody, all of that. That's a really cool build that we want to do, but
we will need a garage.
hey, when we get a second car for the channel,
whoa,
we'll have to decide what it is.
But a Type R would be pretty fire.
Yeah. We are still on a mission to find a lot where we can do some Christmas donuts. So far, no luck.
But it's icy. It's a little icy. It's like hard snow, so it's not good.
Hopefully we can still find one because I really want to get some donuts and I want her to try doing donuts in the car.
I've never did it before.
Period? Any car?
No, never. Actually, remember when you had the red STI and we were with your friends in that parking lot?
Yeah.
Actually, I think you were driving your mom's Forester that night or something. I can't remember.
Oh, yeah.
But like, yeah. Then. But I didn't drive. You were doing it.
Okay, so she's actually never done donuts, which
No.
we need to get her to do some donuts.
Cold day.
Yes.
And it's Christmas.
Yes.
What are we missing?
Tim Hortons hot chocolate.
Yes! That's what we're doing. Hi. Wait, is it closed?
I think it's closed.
Did that guy just drive through?
Yeah. Another L for us. Tim Hortons is closed because it's Christmas Day.
Wait, 24th.
25th. Closed.
Yo! Trash!
Closed. Just kidding. No hot chocolate. So we're supposed to make cookies, and Miss Stephanie over here put the cookie dough in the freezer by accident.
I thought cookie dough doesn't freeze.
We bought it in the fridge.
No, I thought those were freezers.
Now this thing is... You can't make it.
This is really going as planned.
Okay.
Number one.
Let me, no parking lot for donuts.
2, no hot chocolate. 3, no cookies!
So we took 3 fat L's for Christmas today.
Literally.
In that case, we might have to end the vlog here.
Yeah, we will end it right here.
But before we end it, actually, it was in our last video, but of course our upload went whack, so we're gonna say it again here. Feel free to DM us or tag us on Instagram a photo of your car.
Yes.
And we will feature one of you guys each and every video.
Yes, we will.
Regardless of what car it is, if it's stock or not. We just want to build a community and get to know you guys through a different way. Hopefully through you guys, maybe get to connect with each other too, between your common interests.
Yeah.
So we'll feature your cars. So DM us or tag us and we'll feature one of you each and every video.
At the end of the video.
At the end.
Yes.
So, with that being said,
thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys had a great Christmas. Hopefully, you guys ate some cookie, got some hot chocolate, and maybe won some donuts because we didn't do any of that.
Hopefully your Christmas didn't look like ours.
But it's okay.
But hey, as part of the vlog, glad to take you guys along with us.
Yeah.
But until then,
We
we'll
will
see you on the next one. Yeah! Woo! That's sick!
First donut! Subscribe!